Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
I don't feel Abhijit is a bad person. I think that he was doing masti and he doesn't know where to stop. बार बार गलत स्टेटमेंट हर रोज 3-4 बार तुम चढ़ते थे उसके ऊपर। तो आप क्या बोल रहे हो भाई? यहाँ 6 हफ्ते के बाद आप कुछ लड़ाई वो वापस से किया कि तुमने ये किया। अरे भाई हो गया, तेजू की आदत ये है। एंड सबने उसको ये बोला कि तेजू तू क्यों करती है इसे? शी इज अ वेरी बैड संचालक। आई वैसे संचालक तू बनना ही नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज़ एंड आई वाज सेइंग वेयर इज द राखी सावंत दैट आई नो फॉर सीजन 14।
So hello guys, today we have Rajiv with us और हाल ही में ये हो चुके हैं बिग बॉस के घर से evict. Hello Rajiv, welcome to India Forums.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine, thank you so much. Looking very nice.
Thank you. घर से बाहर निकल के फैंस का प्यार तो आपने देखा ही होगा. आपको एंटरटेनमेंट किंग का खिताब मिल चुका है. So what do you like to say about that?
Humble is the word. I'm so happy they think I'm the king of entertainment. Rakhi साहब को टक्कर मार दिया मैंने. I'm joking. I'm so happy that they think I'm entertaining because it's something I wanted in the show. I'm sure I wanted in the show, so I'm so happy they think I'm entertaining and I'm making everyone laugh. I'm just so happy that's my time.
And also ये eviction आपके लिए कितना शौक है? क्योंकि इस एविक्शन से आप बच सकते थे अगर आपकी खुद की बहन अगर आपको सपोर्ट करती, उस नॉमिनेशन से आपको बचा सकती थी. वो निशान के लिए नीचे आने के लिए रेडी थी, बट आपके साथ उन्होंने कहा प्ले सोलो.
So basically, I don't think it's Shamita's fault I'm out of the house. I don't think she could have saved me. I think the individual task. Actually, that was the only task पूरा सीजन में कि किसी को समझ ही नहीं आया. किसी को सिया के ऊपर बैठे नीचे बैठे. No one understood what's going on. I think by fluke way I was in evictions. Nobody understood the task के ऊपर के नीचे. So it's not because of Shamita I'm out. I won't say that. I think I'm definitely shocked I'm out of the house. I didn't think Shruti should be there. I think I should be there more than him. And I'm so happy that Shruti is going crazy over this because it's a good thing to see that people are on the same page as me. But yeah, I think that it is what it is. But I'd love to go back in the show if I had the opportunity. Obviously, it's the finale now, so let's see what happens. But I love the show and I respect the show. So I mean, I'm still upset. I'm still shocked that Shruti is still there.
But we saw you and Shamita talking, and जहाँ Shamita ने clearly बोला था कि you play solo, तू अपना खेल मैं अपना खेलूंगी. But she was playing with Pratik and Nishan. And somehow somewhere we saw she never used to support you because उन्हें उमर और करण पे इतना trust नहीं था. And वो आपके ज़्यादा close friends थे.
See, I think she always made me priority. I always made her priority. That was very clear. If she got the mocha like Neha ka task to life like a task, she saved me. Because she made a plan to make Pratik whatever is Simba. So she did do her best. When it comes to this task, last task, I think the fight between us had to happen. And it was good that it happened. Because हम दोनों को clarity नहीं मिली. I was wondering why she doing this. She was wondering why I was doing this. And जो लड़ाई हुई तब मुझे समझ आया बात क्या थी. Because I didn't have hold her in the show. I said, look, you sit with Nishan and Pratik. I don't trust them. I like them. I don't trust them. I sit with Umar and Nikundra. You like them, but you don't trust them. तो बात ये है कि जो मैं बैठता हूँ तुम trust नहीं करते हो और जो तुम बैठते हो मैं नहीं trust करता हूँ. और दोनों बीच में फंस गए. So just because your friends are my friends, right? But we always support each other, always trust each other, and always play the tasks for each other. Like I would never go against her. And I made a very big condition in every task that I will never go against Shamita in any task. I was very clear. So if you're going to play against her, I'm going to be in the task. With you guys, I'll play solo. So that's something that I don't think she trusted. Then Omar told her that in every task, he's very conditioned. That Shamita ke khilaf hum nahi jayenge, otherwise main uske sath khelunga. And I was very open to that fact, very normal to that fact that was the case. But I'm glad we spoke things out. I'm glad we made clarity because she said one line that, I'm trying to balance my friendship with Nishant and you because they don't trust you, but you're my brother. I think the same way I'm trying to balance my friendship with Umar and my sister. And when we said that line, we were on the same page. Then everything was normal because we needed that clarity. Because she knew I loved her and I knew she would support me and she knew I would. But that was something that was never said between us. So जब बात हुई थी और सब कुछ clear हो गया, then everything was fine after that. And it was needed. It was a long time coming for us to have that conversation.
And कितनी fair थी राखी as a संचालक in the show.
Very unfair.
क्योंकि आपने राखी को support किया था, आपने उन्हें जिताया, but उन्होंने आपको support नहीं किया.
Rakhi Sawant is a paltry queen. Like she's a very bad Sanchalik. I trust Sanchalik to but बनना ही नहीं चाहे because Devorina की पीछे पड़ रही है. I think no, what Devorina की पीछे Devorina उसकी पीछे पड़ी है. What Devorina says goes. And I was saying, where's the Rakhi Sawant that I know for season 14 and and season 1 like Ritesh आए Devorina आए दो controlling her. And I was feeling bad that Rakhi Sawant I don't listen to nobody. वो किसी की बात सुनती ही नहीं है. तो I was like, I want the Rakhi Sawant back. And मैं तो ताना मारता था ऐसे अच्छा तू मुझे बोली कि देवो तुझे बोल रही है बोलने के लिए मुझे. I was like put about it. Actually नहीं मैं ऐसे खेलती हूँ मैं. But then footage हमको दिखाया जो रितेश राखी was playing for Devolina. राखी के मुंह से हो गया. अच्छा आप फेक खेल रहे हो. So she had no words. But she's a sweetheart and I love Rakhi and she's a great person to be with now. She's very funny.
And ये अभिजीत और देवलीना का जो पूरा एक वो किस को लेके जो पूरा एक मुद्दा हुआ, we saw you saying कि उनकी intentions अभिजीत की intentions गलत नहीं थी. So इस पूरे उसमें कौन सही है कौन गलत है पूरा वीकेंड का वार उस पे निकला है.
I think see हमें footage नहीं देखा था until Sunday until the weekend का वार. ठीक है. अब क्या हुआ? I don't feel Abhijit is a bad person. I think that he was doing masti and he doesn't know where to stop. उसको धैर्य नहीं समझ आता है. He's a bit aloof like I don't know why he doesn't understand. It's very simple. You're a man. You become the PM of India for God's sake. You have no idea on what you are doing or what you're saying. And बार बार गलत statement हर रोज 3-4 बार तुम चढ़ते थे उसके ऊपर कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो भैया. Like आप चाहते के बाद controversy हो because you non-stop every day saying stuff. Then they're saying lingo issue है, then they're saying language issue है, इसको पता नहीं पर एक इंसान को कैसे नहीं पता हो क्या बोल रहे हो. आप मुझे see sometimes I said some words in the show which I didn't know were wrong. Like I can't repeat them, but sometimes like in a slang you say something and so oh don't say that. So I thought really I didn't realize that because my first bhasha is not Hindi. My first one was English. So some Hindi words I don't understand and some things were masti outside masti were actually things like that. So. But he understands Hindi, so I don't understand why you say certain things. What he did with Devo was very wrong. Like she's saying no, so no is no. ना तो बार-बार पीछे क्यों पड़े उसको यार? And I don't think he's doing any contribution to the show whatsoever. His contribution to the show is zero in my opinion. Like he's not doing anything in the show. Nothing he's doing. He's not playing the tasks where he just talks about Bibi Marathi all day long and sings songs. उसके अलावा कुछ करता नहीं है वो.
And also शमिता ने ये भी कहा कि इन दिनों तेजा जो है लड़ाई जब होती है तो उसमें और आग डाल देती है. मतलब वो जब शांत हो सकती है तो फिर से स्ट्रेच हो जाती है उनके किसी ना किसी पॉइंट से. सो वी वांट टू नो आप घर के अंदर थे कि क्या ऐसा होता है क्या है.
Sorry Teju, I'm so sorry Teju, I'm saying this by half fact. She does stretch things यार. 2 दिन and every time जो 6 हफ्ते के बाद अब कुछ लड़ाई वो वापस से की आती है तुमने ये किया. अरे भाई हो गया. Like it's done. Like she does stretch things a lot, and she does sometimes get people's muddas a lot. Teju ki aadat ye hai. She's not a bad kid. She's not a bad person. It's just, and she's not. I won't say she's bitchy or anything, but she does have a habit of doing this. And सबने उसको ये बोला कि तेरे तू क्यों करती है ऐसे? तो habit तो है उसका.
बस इस सब के बीच में करण थोड़ा पिस जाते हैं और उमर और करण की थोड़ी डिबेट हो जाती है किसी ना किसी बात पे. So you think कि ये this can be reason कभी आगे चल के उमर और करण के बीच लड़ाई हो गई.
I don't think उमर और करण का कभी relationship का कोई end आएगा because I love Umar, Karan loves Umar, and the three of us are very close friends. Yes, I'm close to Umar in the house. I was close between me, Karan, and Kundra. I was close to Umar, and I don't feel like Kundra would ever leave Umar. I think when things happen between Teju and him, Kundra is a listening ear to both, and he's fair. He'll tell Teju off, he'll tell Kundra off. I mean, Umar off also. But he'll never get in the way of both of them to stop their friendship. He started to put his points across, which is sometimes against Teja and for Umar, and vice against Umar and for Teja. But he's very fair in his decision making towards both of them, I feel.
And who is right according to you, Devolina or Rashmi? I know Rashmi is your friend, but if I'll ask you a genuine answer, who is, अंदर जो मुद्दे हो.
I understand Rashmi guy bola, I understand people didn't like that comment. And I agree it was wrong to say that comment. However, Devolina, I don't think it was very nasty to Rashmi. It's a very foul thing to Rashmi in a very derogatory way, which a friend does not say to another friend. As soon as the ladai was over, Devo was laughing, joking, running after Prateek, giving masti do kar rahe the wo log. Rashmi was in the bed crying her eyes out. तो आप किसी को दोस्त बोलते हो तो फीलिंग्स भी दिखाओ ना कि आप गुस्से हो. She was normal in 1 second. Where Rashmi would go in and sit and cry, how can my friend do this to me? When me and Shweta fought, or when Umar used to fight also, I used to go in a corner and cry because I actually love them. I love Umar as my best friend and I love Shweta, they're my sisters. So if you have love for somebody, if someone speaks to you in a manner or tries to do something, then it actually, is wrong. So I don't think Devalina is a friend to Rashmi. Rashmi thinks Devalina more as a friend than vice versa, if you understand.
Okay, Rajiv, आपके according top 3 कौन होगा? कौन होगा?
Shamita Sethi for sure. She's a great khiladi. Umar Riaz, and if it's for 3, Tej is a very strong character, and Karan is also. I think they're two deserving. But Rakhi Sawant is also sweet. Yeah.
One thing you will miss about the house, अब now आप घर से बाहर हो, जो आप सबसे ज़्यादा miss कर रहे हो.
The ostrich, the Shatarmugh. But I think I'll miss everything about the house. It's such a special house. I loved it all. It's everything in fact.
And so lastly, what you like to say to the fans, to the viewers, घर में राखी सावंत एक entertainment queen के होने के बाद भी लोगों ने आपको इतना पसंद किया. घर के लोग भी बोलते थे कि आपके आने से घर का माहौल थोड़ा light हो गया है. So what do you like to say to the viewers, to the fans?
Thank you so much for supporting me. I love you all. Thank you so much. I'm so humbled. I feel so blessed that people that have accepted me for who I am, just the way I am. And again, that's like a trophy for me that people are accepting me, love me the way I am. People come out of this show sometimes in a very bad light, in a very positive light. And I'm glad that in my journey, I made mistakes, I got up, I got back up, and I'm glad I've come out on a high where people love me. And that's the biggest trophy you can have, where people love you, right? So I'm feeling very humble. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rajiv, and all the best.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.